It's possible to secure car insurance if you don't have a license, but it's often tricky. Let's talk about it. There are some common situations where you might want to get car insurance but don't have an active license. As you'll find out, there aren't many hard and fast rules pertaining to this situation, so you won't always know what you're eligible for until you try. As a side note, if you have a learner's permit, you're automatically going to be covered from the car insurance on the car you're driving as long as you have a fully licensed adult in the vehicle with you. If you have a teen driver in your family who's underage, you'll need to add them to your car insurance policy at least until they turn 18 and can legally agree to their own insurance contract. If it works, they can help make payments to cover their portion of the insurance. If you've had your driving privileges revoked but still own a registered vehicle, you'll likely be able to maintain your current car insurance policy provided that you keep on making timely payments. If you don't drive but own collector or antique vehicles, you can usually take out a car insurance policy just to cover them. If you no longer drive but need someone like a home care provider to drive you to the grocery store or to medical appointments, you may be able to add them as an additional driver on your car insurance policy. In many instances, you'll need to have your own active license for this to work. So if you no longer have a driver's license, your home care provider will need to transport you in their own car on their car insurance policy. If you don't have an active driver's license but are still eligible for car insurance, just shop for a car insurance policy like you normally would. Start by comparing quotes from no fewer than 3 providers. Using a car insurance comparison app or a licensed broker like Jerry will make the process easy as can be. You'll need to provide the license number of the person who will be the primary driver on the policy. The primary driver should be the person who's going to use the insured vehicle the most. Minors can be listed as the primary driver on a policy. They just can't be listed as the insured or the policyholder until they're legally old enough. If you're the primary driver but your license has been suspended, don't panic. There may be exceptions to this rule. Let's say your license was suspended for a poor driving record or not having continuous insurance. You may be able to take out a car insurance policy at this point. It's true that some providers will automatically deny you if you've had a license suspension. But if you're able to get a restricted or hardship license so that you can travel to work, school, and the grocery store, you'll often be able to get some form of insurance. If you have a restricted or a hardship license, you'll need to get an SR22 form. This is filed by your insurance provider for the state and signifies that you're carrying your state minimum liability insurance so that you can be road legal. So if you're dealing with a license suspension, call an insurance provider and tell them that you'll need SR22 to reinstate your license. They'll likely offer you insurance, albeit at a higher rate. This probably all sounds really overwhelming, but Jerry can help you make it as easy as possible. You can file an SR22 request right in the Jerry app and browse quotes from insurance companies that will cover you even if you have a poor record. Connect with one of our licensed agents through text or phone call to get your SR22 case number, and we'll even send your SR22 to the DMV for you. And for privacy's sake, we'll never ask you the reason you need an SR22. We're just here to help. For more information on getting car insurance without a license or to connect with a helpful agent, download the Jerry app or go to getjerry.com.